Oh, what's up guys, welcome back to another video here at GCSE, and today we'll be going through reverse percentages. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, I promise you it is this easy. Our learning outcomes for today is to understand what reverse percentages are and understand why they are used, and also to solve reverse percentages exam questions. So, what are reverse percentages? Using reverse percentages is a way of working out backwards of a percentage problem to find the original amount. The most common application of reverse percentages is when we're dealing with money. In this lesson, we'll focus on solving reverse percentages exam questions and to understand how we get to our answer. To begin with, we use reverse percentages when dealing with money, most commonly with discounts or taxing. There is a method to work out reverse percentages, and it goes something like this. Either add or subtract the percentage given in the problem from 100% to determine the percentage we have. Find 1% by dividing the percentage found in the previous step. This doesn't have to be 1%, but it could be a number which is an easy factor of 100. However, 1 is probably the easiest factor. But say you could do, if you got given 25%, you can just times that by 4 to get 100. And then you find 100%, the original amount, by multiplying your answer by 100. For example, Paul is looking for a new laptop, and the laptop is on sale by 25%. The on-sale price is £900. What was the original price? So to begin with, we do 100 minus 25, that's the sale price, and that will give us 75%. We then do 900 divided by 75, which gives us 12, meaning £12 is 1%. Now, if we times 12 by 100, we get 100%, and that is the original price. So the original price is 1,200. This is also the same working out and the same writing as doing n times 0.5 equals 900. If we do 900 divided by 0.75, that will equal n, which is also 1,200. This is two different methods, gives you the same answer, but it follows the same principles, it's just in different steps. Now it's time to have a go at some Maths Genie exam questions on reverse percentages. Have a go, pause the video and unpause when you've done. So, in our first question, the value of a house increased by 6%. The house then had a value of 265,000. Work out the value of the house before the increase. So here, to begin with, we do n times 1.06, and this will give us 265,000. Therefore, if we want to find out n, which is the value of the house before the increase, we do 265,000 divided by 1.06. And this gives us the answer of n equals 250,000. So the price of the house before the increase was 250,000. Now for our second question, in a sale the normal price of a book is reduced by 20%. The sale price of the book is £4.80. Work out the normal price of the book. So here, n times 0.8 gives us the answer of £4.80. The reason it's 0.8 because the book has been reduced by 20%. So we do 100 minus 20, which gives us 80. And 80% is also written as 0.8. So n equals 4.8 divided by 0.8. And that will give us the answer of n equals 6. So the normal price of the book is £6. Now, for our third question, the value of a litre of petrol increased by 8%. A litre of petrol then costs £1.62. Work out the price of a litre of petrol before the increase. So here we do n times 1.08 will give us the answer of £1.62, meaning n, the original price, will be 1.62 divided by 1.08. Given n will be £1.50. So the price of a litre of petrol before the increase will be £1.50. When we are dealing with reverse percentages questions, there's some things we need to have a think about. These questions will almost always be 2 marks, but they can be included in bigger questions, such as ones that include compound interest and normal percent increases. So be aware when you need to use it in your exam. Also, use common sense to answer these questions, as you won't have a pen what costs £1,000 or a plane worth £25. So always read the question to make an estimate for the range what your answer should be in. For example, for the house we did before, the house isn't going to cost £5. So if you're getting a very low number and it says say a house in the question, you know you've gone wrong somewhere. Now it's time to have a go at some more exam questions. Have a go, pause the video and unpause when you've done. So, in our first question, in a sale, normal prices are reduced by 25%. The normal price of a coat is reduced by 12 quid. Work out the normal price of the coat. As we've been told that £12 is equal to 25%, they're both the reduction. If we times 24 by 4, we get 100%. So if we times 12 by 4, we'll get the normal price of the coat, meaning £48 is the normal price of the coat. So, in our second question, in a sale, the normal price of a TV is reduced by 20%. The sale price of the TV is £660. Work out the normal price of the TV. So here we do m times 0.8 equals 660, meaning m equals 660 divided by 0.8, given m to be 825. So the normal price of the TV is £825. Don't worry if you worked it out as we did in the previous question, by saying £660 equals 80%, then divided down to 10% or 1%, then times up. Because both ways works. I'm just showing you the way we'll probably do it the quickest. In our third question, the cost of a council tax bill increased by 5%, and the council tax bill increased by £62. Work out the total cost of the council tax bill before the increase. So here we use the same formula as we did in our very first question. A £62 increase is equal to the 5% increase. So if we times 5 by 20, we get 100%. So we do 62 times 20, we'll get 1,240, which is the total cost. So the final answer for the total cost of the council tax bill before the increase is 1,240. Now it's time to have a go with some of the hardest exam questions you're probably asked on reverse percentages. Have a go, pause the video and unpause when you've done. So, in our first question, the price of a train season ticket increased by 4%. The price of the ticket increased by 152 quid and 20p. Work out the price of the train ticket before the increase. So here we know £152 and 20p equals 4%, as this would be both increased by. So if we do 4 times 25, which will give us 100%, do 152 and 20p times by 25, which gives us 3,805. And this is our price of the train ticket before the increase. So our final answer is 3,805. In our second question, in a sale, the normal price of the car is reduced by 30%. The sale price of the car is £6,300. Work out the normal price of the car. 6,300 equals 70%, because if we do 100% minus 30%, that gives us 70%. And we know it's been reduced to the sale price. So 6,300 equals 70%. Now, this may be on a non-calculator paper, so you need to work out the quick mental tricks to divide 6,300 by 70. So first cross-cancel the zeros, so you get 630 equals 7%, and you know 63 is divisible by 7, and then you just add a 0 on the end. So 90 equals 1% of the original price. Therefore, if 90 equals 1%, you times by 100, so 9,000 equals 100%. So the normal price of the car is £9,000. In our third question, in a sale, normal prices are reduced by 15%. The normal price of a pen is reduced by £1.20. Work out the normal price of the pen. As we did before, the reduction of £1.20 equals a reduction of 15%. And if we divide both sides by 15, we get 8p equals 1%. Times both sides by 100, so we get 8 quid equals 100%. So the final answer of the normal price of the pen is £8. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of today's lesson. And I did say it was that easy. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.